Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. I really like this car. I really do. The whole package, the red Formula, I love that grille on a 77. The white vinyl top, the white interior, this stripe, which I've never seen before. I think it's awesome. I have the original build sheet. This is how this car was ordered. Except for the upgraded wheels, this is exactly how it left the factory. It was a one-family owner car, so there was a sentimental attachment to the car. They spent $38,000 doing a body off the frame restoration on this car. It's gorgeous top to bottom, inside and out. So go to volocars.com. That's where you'll get all the specs, pictures of it top to bottom, the pricing on this, and a few hundred other collector cars that are all for sale. But for right now, how about you go with me? We take a spin in this 1977 Pontiac Firebird Formula. So like I said, the build sheet proves this is how the car was born. It is a first-class, high-quality, professional body restoration. The paint is like liquid red. The body is laser straight. There's not a door ding. It's all smooth. There's not a bubble. There's not a blister. There's not a crack. It is nice. This car also came with the rear spoiler. It was ordered on this car. This is all fantastic. It has the Formula decals. Rubber bumper is mint. Everything's one color red. It's not different shades of red. It has the splitter exhaust tips. I really like the wheels. It's like the modern version of the old style wheels. They're new billet wheels with Kumho performance tires. The trim, the glass, the vinyl top, all beautiful. Door jambs are painted just as nice as the car. The white upholstery, I mean, it's bright white. It's crisp white. The cushions are all new. They're nice and firm. Door panels are pristine. All new carpet, embroidered floor mats, new shiny sill plates. Bucket seats with console, obviously. Now, these hoods are not the easiest to open. A little awkward. There we go. It's a 5-liter, which is a 305 V8 motor, completely stock. All the air cleaner, ductwork, valve covers, manifolds, it's all stock. Factory air conditioned car, updated to the 134 Freon. Brand new cadmium plated brake booster. Underneath the car is super clean. They took the frame off, which is a subframe up front. That was dropped down. The whole front end was gone through and redone. New exhaust. There we go. It's a giant door on these cars, but look how all that is so pristine. The dash pad is in excellent shape. The actual instrument panel's original, and I'd say it's a 7 or 8 out of 10. Shows a little bit of patina, but the rest of it is crisp like new. Inside the trunk, this is painted meticulously. Underneath the mat is all nice clean metal with the factory spatter finish. Has the original mat in nice shape. So we'll start it up for you. I like it because it's different and it just all works. The stripe, the colors, everything about it, and it's different. I seen it and instantly I thought, I've never seen anything like that, and I like it. The headliner, all the plastic trim, like going up the pillars, the side panels and back, it's all crisp white. The mirror is crystal clear. The vents are nice. There's really nothing wrong with the dash. It's just a little dirty around the radio and that, maybe a little bit more detailing. And there are some cigarette burns on the console there. You know, the ashtray's right above it, and that was a common thing on these. But nice car. New weather strips. The air conditioning just kicked on. The air is on right now. Fantastic paint. The shop next door would charge every bit of 15 grand just to paint this car. So someone's going to get a really nice, unique car. Go to volocars.com. That's where you'll find all the ways to contact us. I have a whole staff of people that can assist you and answer questions. We have shipping, we have financing. So volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's the best way to see these videos as we put them out, as they come in. So I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for a whole bunch more videos.